Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Lucky from Bluey. So first let's get started with drawing in our left eye. So we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then moving in towards the middle of that, let's replicate that again, just making that smaller. Now let's draw on the nose. So on the top, leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this line over and down. From that corner, we're going to round this out, curving this line in on a diagonal. And then again from that corner, we're going to curve this line back in and up. And then closing that off on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Underneath for the mouth, we're going to curve this line in on a diagonal. And now in the center, let's draw on the nose. So on the top from this corner, we're going to curve this line over and down. And now from the side, we're going to curve this line around and then back up on the right. For the highlight of the nose, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Now let's draw on the right eye. So we're going to draw in another oval above. So we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then in the middle, let's replicate that, curving that back up and then down again. Let's move above and draw in the eyebrows. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, around, and then back in on the bottom line. And then on the left-hand side, arching this down, we're going to curve this line down, around, and then back in together again. Let's close off the top of the head. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then on the right-hand side, we're just going to continue to arch this line down. Over on the left-hand side, now let's draw on the ear. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Underneath, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that up. Now starting back on this line, we're going to continue to arch this line around and then in. And then from this line on the top, we're just going to curve this line in towards our left eyebrow. For the right ear, we're going to arch this line down and then in towards the top. Now from here, let's come down and draw on the left arm first. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. And then we're going to move over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. Now for the hand, we're going to curve this line over and out. In the middle, we're going to curve this line further up towards the top. And now again, one more time, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in towards that corner. Let's draw in the side of the body first. So we're going to draw in the bag on the side. So we're going to curve this line around and then out. Dropping down again, we're going to curve this line further over and then back out again. And then on the bottom, we're going to carry this through, curving this out. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. And then we'll do the same thing, bringing that down towards the middle. Lastly, just coming underneath, curving this in towards our hand. For the backpack now, we're going to curve this out on a diagonal, arching that down. And now from here, we're going to continue to curve this line in towards the back. Now we're going to draw in two horizontal lines, leaving an even amount of space. And then we'll come down again and replicate that one more time. Let's close off the rest of the torso on the right-hand side. So coming through, bringing this line underneath our nose and mouth, we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. From this corner now, we're going to curve this line in and across towards our left hand. Now for the right leg, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We'll do the same moving over on the left underneath our hand. Closing off the bottom of the foot, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line in. Now from here in the corner, we're going to bring this straight line up towards the top. And now from here, we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch across towards the left. Now let's draw on our tail. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then back in towards our leg. Let's draw on the rugby ball that he's holding. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and then in on the right. For the first finger, we're going to curve this line around and then in. In the middle, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then one more time, just curving this line around and then up towards the top. And now underneath, we're just going to continue to curve this line over and in towards the side. And then closing off the arm, we're just going to curve this line in towards our nose. Coming over towards the middle now, we're going to curve this line over, around, and then back in. We're going to do that 3 more times. So stepping beside, curving this down, around, and then back in. Again, replicating that shape. And now one last time. Now from here in the middle, we're going to curve this line in. And then we'll continue to bring this line up and in towards the top. And then we'll curve this line over and out towards the side of the torso. And that is it. That's how you draw Lucky from Bluey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.